Hey y'all, welcome back to the Wedding Wire channel. I'm Taraj, and if you're thinking about proposing, you're in the right place. I'll be sharing the best and easiest ways to figure out how to size a ring without your partner realizing your secret plan. Determining your partner's ring size might just be as easy as asking a loved one. Maybe your partner's mother recently bought them a ring, or their best friend just so happens to know. Do not be afraid to reach out to people, but I recommend not asking too many people because the secret might get spoiled. If your partner wears a lot of rings, grab one and use a ring sizing guide, or bring it to a jewelry store to be professionally measured. You can also use a bar of soap to create a mold of the ring to show a jeweler. Just don't forget to wash off the extra soap so your partner doesn't suspect anything. For this next method, you have to be a bit sneaky. We recommend waiting until your partner's sleeping to quickly take these measurements. Wrap a string or a piece of paper around the fourth finger of your partner's left hand below the knuckle and mark off where the string overlaps. Then measure the string to the spot where you marked, and then use a ring sizer to determine which size best corresponds with your partner's finger. If you're unable to get an exact ring size, rely on a professional jeweler to help you guesstimate. They'll most likely recommend choosing a larger size that can be sized down once you propose to your partner. Just for reference, did you know the average woman's ring size is a 6, and for men, it's a 10? In most cases, engagement rings made of gold, silver, or platinum can be resized to be larger or smaller. Now beware of purchasing engagement rings made of titanium, stainless steel, or tungsten, which can't be resized. Rings that have stones all the way around the band may also be difficult to resize. But like I said, just rely on your jeweler. They're the experts when it comes to all things wedding rings and sizing. Here's another did you know for you. 70% of recipients have some form of involvement with selecting their engagement ring. So it's totally okay to shop for a ring together, especially if the both of you have a proposal on the brain. You could still surprise them with the ultimate proposal. If you took all the steps to determine your partner's ring size and you're still unsure, don't sweat it. It's always a good idea to have a resizing plan in place just in case you need to make some adjustments. Once you propose, I encourage you to ask your partner how the ring feels and make sure they're honest. And if it's feeling a little too loose or too tight, you can say, "No worries, I know exactly what to do." I hope this video was helpful for all those planning an upcoming proposal. And don't forget to subscribe to the Wedding Wire channel for more advice videos. See you next time.